Hello again, everyone. This is Joe Henches with Beyond the Chart. In this stock review video, we're going to take a look at Weight Watchers International, and it has been on a tear this year. And we're going to look at the weekly and daily charts and see what is up. So stay tuned. All right, let's start off here with the weekly chart. You can see this is all the data I've got back to the beginning of 2001. So about 16, almost 17 years worth of data. I put some notifications on here labeling the October 2007 stock market peak that we had, and here's where it was, trading up around 58. The bottom in March of 2009, where it got down to $16, so $58 down to $16, back up to an intra-week high of a little over 80. It's like $87. And that was actually the high close, $85.25 on May 20th, 2011. So 2 years and 2 months to make that little rally. And then basically the bottom fell out of this thing. It came on down and it hit the financial crisis low. It hit that right in here. January 2015 bounced. I have no idea what happened to the stock. And what it was dealing with, but boy, it just, this last leg down, the floor just fell out of it and came all the way down and had a weekly close at a little less than $4, $3.97, and that happened on the week ending July 10th, 2015. And it wasn't too much longer, a couple of months later, and Oprah takes her stake. She got a 10% stake at $6.79 a share. And when that was announced, the stock just exploded. And of course, then everybody started talking, oh, Oprah's made this amount of money. And then when it pulls back, they said Oprah's lost, given back X amount of this. They got to talk about something. And so now it came back, had a pullback, looks like about a 50% retracement. Let me, just out of curiosity, I hadn't really looked at that, see if I can grab that and come to the top here. Actually, it was a lot deeper than that. This was 61.8%, about 2/3. It retraced probably about 2/3 of the move. And then got its legs underneath it and turned around and rallied. Well, why did that happen? Let's take a look at the daily chart. Right here on December 22nd, Oprah said she's lost 40 pounds on the Weight Watchers program. And wow, that's all this thing needed. She's been in it. She's lost 40 pounds and everything just took off like a rocket ship. This thing has just been in a steady uptrend all year long. Up 277% for the year from the close on December 30th of $11.45 to the close yesterday, September 19th, at $43.13. Now, the trading today, it's down just a little bit. This is midday. It's like 12:30 Central Time on the 20th. And so it's had one heck of a run. Now, a couple of things. The trend is very, very strong. So, you hesitate to say, okay, it's time to sell or do anything like that. You got to let price tell you wants to break down. I would lean to say that the trend is still fairly well in place. The fact that it broke this trend line is the only little caution flag that raised up, and it kind of pulled back to it. Now, let me zoom in a little bit. So here's what's going on. It broke this trend line on the 15th, it pulled back up to it, and it's kind of hugging it in here today. But the close back above that 10-day exponential moving average is a positive. So this thing has pulled down from over the last 4 weeks, from back up here on the 14th, 15th, to the low here on September 18th. And, nice little pullback, but now looks like maybe it wants to resume. Now, I'd like to see a couple of days, like a second day above that 10-day moving average. We get that, it could be worth playing here as a continuation to the upside. Now, if you're not in this already, I don't trade this for option purposes because I would like to see the 50-day average volume be a lot higher than what it is. It's about 1.5 million shares a day on a 50-day moving average. The average true range is nice. It's up around $1.45 as of right now, last 10 days worth of average true range. So I guess the bottom line is, right now the trend is your friend until it ends, and so far it hasn't really ended on Weight Watchers. So that's the picture. If you found like this video was helpful, please hit the like button and share the video with others. If you're not watching this on my website, head on over to joehenches.net and check out the other posts I've got and the other information and the insider membership I've got for you. All right, everyone, have a great rest of the day and week. Talk to you on the next video.